A source of pride for Turkey as a global brand that designs and produces defense technologies in aerospace. Turkish Aerospace, which works day and night to meet global requirements and leads Turkey in aerospace. Designed for the future. Multirole helicopter. Gökbey. Gökbey multirole helicopter. With its large cabin space and extensive payload capacity, Gökbey can be easily adapted to perform various types of different mission profiles for civilian and military operators all over the world, such as transportation, air ambulance, cargo, offshore operations, and search and rescue. Turkish Aerospace, the architect of many projects, has achieved the most challenging goals and has turned Turkey's dreams into reality. We are inspired from the crescent and the star on our flag. Turkish Aerospace.